Hey guys, so in this video I wanted to share with you my favorite book for learning pandas, the powerful Python library for data analysis. The book is called Effective Pandas, written by the super experienced Python developer and data expert Matt Harrison. Matt has been working with Python and data for over 20 years, and he even has a computer science degree from Stanford. He is also a consultant, helping companies use pandas to get the most of their data. Effective Pandas is a great resource for anyone looking to learn and improve their panda skills. It starts off with the basics, like installing Python, pandas, and setting up the Jupyter Notebook environment. And then it goes deep into the inner workings of panda series and data frames, giving you a solid understanding of how they work and how to use them for things like slicing, grouping, indexing, working with dates, and more. Once you've got the basics down, the book also covers topics like working with time series data, exporting and plotting data, and styling your data frame. Plus, it also has some great tips and tricks for debugging your pandas code. Another thing I love about this book is that it teaches you how to write clean and efficient code using method chaining. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a pandas data frame with 3 columns: name, age, and grade, and you want to select only the rows where the age is greater than or equal to 20, and then sort the resulting data by grade. Instead of writing multiple lines of code, you can use method chaining to do it in one line. In this example, the first method call selects the rows where the age is greater than or equal to 20. The second method call, sortValues, sorts the resulting data by grade. Each method call returns a modified version of the data, and the next method call is applied to this modified data. So method chaining can be a powerful way to write concise and expressive pandas code. In my pandas video, I also go over a more complex example of chaining pandas methods to clean and analyze my YouTube data. In that video, I used a function called cleandf that chains together multiple pandas methods to remove columns, drop null values, rename columns, filter results, and create additional columns. It's a great way to keep your code clean and easy to debug. Just comment out a line if you need to troubleshoot. Feel free to check out that video. I will leave the link to the tutorial in the info card above and in the description below. In summary, Effective Pandas is an excellent resource for learning pandas, whether you are a beginner or an experienced user. You can get the book from Amazon or directly from Matt's website. I hope you find it as helpful as I have. And just to be clear, I'm not sponsored by Matt or Amazon, I just really liked the book and wanted to share it with you. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video.